What I'm most excited about is that the dream of a healthy retreat for the last 25 years is at last coming to be. And it excites me that at least I can help somebody to help themselves. I can treat a lot of people in a medical world. I can treat them with medicine and pills and cutting and knife and everything, but I cannot heal anybody if they doesn't help themselves. If they help themselves, I can help them heal. It's more than treatment. Because in the medical world, we can treat. We don't say we heal cancer, we treat cancer. We don't heal pneumonia, we treat pneumonia. That's all we do. But in natural world, we can heal a lot of time. We can heal the body and the mind and the spirit. We don't want to antagonize the pharmaceutical companies. So we don't want to say we are better than them. I think in treatment, they are very good. But in healing, I think the natural world and natural health is more effective in the long term. To do a bit of exercise every day, and it's not difficult to help and take control of their own lives, because that's what we must do. We must take control of our life and see what and do what we can. The biggest benefit around here is seclusion. The cell phones don't work here. We have got one television on site, and it doesn't work for patients. So it will be cut off from the hustle and bustle of the city. So it's seclusion and time to be with themselves. It will be time for the inner self to connect with the higher self and communicate with their God.